Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Insights by Kiran. So I am starting a new series called Python course. So this Python course will helpful for everyone in nowadays. Why? Because the buzzword everyone we are hearing in IT industry, not in IT industry everywhere, it is AI, artificial intelligence. While learning the AI, so the Python should be the prerequisite to learn. So the Python is a programming language. You can learn all the Python basics here to start the AI courses like Gen AI or Agentic AI, if MCP servers or LangChain, if anything, if you want to learn, so the Python course should be the mandatory. So what is the course agenda for this? So this is the purely only for Python course. So we'll cover all the Python end-to-end uh, topics. So first, initially, we'll start with the Python setup. Then we'll go with the ID installation. Mostly, we'll go with the Visual Studio Code only. You can use the Cursor AI as well. So the Cursor AI is built on top of the Visual Studio Code. So there we will cover all the topics for the Python. One is string, list, tuple, set, dictionary, variables, what are the data types and different types of operators and the functions, modules, if conditions, if else conditions, nested conditions, so for loop, while loop, break and continue, arrays, and what are global variables and what are local variables, what is a factorial and what are the recursion, so how we can write a programs with the recursion, and what are the higher order functions, we can call it as a HOF. So what are anonymous functions? The functions. So the people who are coming from the Java background or the C sharp background, they know the anonymous functions. Those are the functions which has a whose functions have, which are the functions have that do not have a name are called as anonymous functions. And what are filters and map reduce patterns and what are inner functions. And there is a concept called hoops concepts. We need to learn about the classes, objects, constructors, polymorphism, overloading and overriding, method overriding, and exception handling, how we can handle the exceptions using the Python, and finally with the multi-threading concept. So these are the topics we are covered as part of this tutorial. Okay. So just I'll give the only the brief introduction, not we go with the oral introduction. So mostly we'll go with the practical sessions only. I'll upload every day with the practical sessions, and I'll practice while I'm doing the coding the same way. You can start practicing. If you have any questions, please comment in the video. I'll get answers as early as possible. Okay, let's go to the Python introduction. So I didn't give the much introduction when the Python is introduced and what is this blah blah blah. So just this is a high level programming language. And if, so anybody knows that what is high level programming language. Whenever we are typing in a simple plain English, it will be converted and it will be interpreted into the computer understandable language like zeros and bytes, bits and bytes, we can say zeros and ones. Okay, the same way how you can many people know about the how the Java is an programming language, right? C sharp. So how, so similarly it will also work. So what are the key characteristics? The Python. So anybody who knows the programming language like Java, C sharp, those guys can easily understand the Python. And even if you are a non-programming languages guys or students also, they can also able to understand the Python. Why? Because the Python syntax is very easy and it is a very readable format, and it's interpreted and it's a dynamically typed and it's open source. It has a large community, very strong community, and the Python can be learned in all platforms irrespective of the platform independent. And it has a rich ecosystem. It has a more libraries. Let's say if you write a program in the Java, or if you write a program in the C sharp, you have to write a bunch of lines. But in the Python they are giving the inbuilt libraries, so you can reuse those libraries and you can start working on that. So simply out of 20 lines of code, if you write in a Java, and we can write in the Python with the 2 to 5 lines of code because of their providing the rich libraries. Yeah, this is the simple Python introduction. Okay, let's go to the uh, key Python libraries. Why I'm including this slide is, so I initially said, right, AI is a buzzword. So everyone in the IT industry should learn the AI. So without AI, we cannot sustain. So I can say AI cannot replace the developers, but AI is the complete assistant, and it will give the more productivity for the developers, testers, QA, automation testing, manual testing, anywhere. So these are the few libraries. There are many libraries are there, but these are the few important libraries which we are using for AI. One is NumPy. So NumPy is a fundamental, it's a scientific computing. Just I'm reading this slide, and providing a support of large and multi-dimensional array and mathematical operations, especially for the data manipulation. Let's say if you do any data manipulation side, and it with this NumPy will give you the support for large or a large huge data arrays and mathematical operations. And second one is pandas. Pandas having the high level data structures and tools designed to fast and easy data analysis for the preparation. It has a high level of data structures inbuilt. Pandas. Next one is skit and learn, a popular and easy way. It's a use library for machine learning algorithms, including the classification, clustering, and regression. Tensor and the PyTorch. So, leading an open source framework for deep learning used to build and train a complex neural networks. So, we learn all these things. So, before you start learning this, the Python should be the mandatory thing. You should learn the Python first. So, we'll go one by one. At least you should spend every day 1 to 2 hours to learn these things. So next couple of months, so 2 to 3 months or max 6 months, you will be get a very good vast knowledge on the AI. So whatever the things I'll upload, whatever the things I know from the AI side, I'll upload all the things. So even I can upload the vibe coding as well. So you can go with all the videos, and you can subscribe my channel, and you can get an enormous amount of AI side. And if you want anything, you can put in a comments. I'll try to upload, and I'll prepare those videos, and I'll try to upload these videos. Yep. Thanks everyone. Please subscribe my channel.